तो हम डिजिटल सर्किट के बारे में थोड़ा सा रीड करेंगे। ये इम्पोर्टेंट शो करता है कि even in a large scale digital system such as a computer or a data processing control or digital communication system, there are only a few basic operations which must be performed. These operations, to be sure, may be repeated very many times. The four circuit most commonly employed in such a system are now as the OR and NOT and flip-flop. This is called as a logic gate. हम इसे किस किस नाम से जानते हैं? एक तो आपका नाम है इसमें OR, ये OR और AND, NOT और and NOT, flip-flop. flip-flop. हम इतने सारे डिजिटल कोड से हम इसको जानते हैं। These are called as a logic gate or circuit because they are used to implement Boolean algebraic equation. This algebra was invented by G. Boole in the middle of the 19th century as a system of the mathematical analysis of the logic. This chapter discusses in the detail the first three basic logic circuits maintained above. These basic gates are combined into flip-flops and other digital system building block in chapter 17. The digital operation of a system, a digital system function in a binary manner. It employs device which exists only in the two possible states. A transistor is allowed to operate at cutoff or in saturation, but not it is the active region. A nodal may be at a high voltage of the say 4 plus minus 1 or at a low voltage so the 0.2 plus minus 0.2 volt, but no other value are allowed. Various designation are used for these two quantized states and the most common are listed. In logic, a statement is characteristic to a switch may be closed or open, which is the notation under the 9. Binary arithmetic and mathematical manipulation of the switch or logic function are best carried out the classification 3 and involves two symbols 0 and 1. Two symbols 0 and 1. So in this circuit, the binary system of the representing numbers will be explained, making a reference to the familiar decimal system. This is the 10-digit base of the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 9 are required to express in the arbitrary number. The right number larger than 9, we assign a meaning of the position of a numerals in array of the numerals. For example, the number of the 1264 1264 has the meaning of is thus the individual digit in the number representing the coefficient in an expansion of the number in power of 10. The digit which is the furthest to the right is to the coefficient of the 0th power, the next in the coefficient of the first power, and so on. In the binary system, the representation of the base is the 2. Only the two numeral 0 and 1 are required to represent a number. The numeral 0 and 1 have the same meaning as the decimal system, but a different interpretation is placed on the position occupied by the digit. In the binary system, the individual digits represent the coefficient of power of the two rather than 10 as in the decimal system. For example, the decimal number 19 is written as the binary representation of 10011. Since is that a short list of the equivalent number decimal and binding of the given by the table. यानी हम इसको नंबर को अगर लिखेंगे तो नंबर को लिखा जाएगा इस तरह से, और इसको टोटल अगर 19 को हम लिखेंगे तो 1001 से इसको लिखेंगे। तो ये बाइनरी डिजिट होता है, इस कॉल्ड इज, हम इसे बिट कहते हैं। क्या कहते हैं इसे? बाइनरी डिजिट इज कॉल्ड इज ए बिट। बाइनरी डिजिट बाइनरी डिजिट इज कॉल्ड बिट, ये बिट कहलाया, यानी कि हम इसको बिट से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। ए ग्रुप ऑफ बिट हैविंग ए सिग्निफिकेंस ए बिट बाइट्स वर्ड और कोड, यानी इस ग्रुप को हम बिट को हैविंग सिग्निफिकेशंस करेंगे बाइट, एक BITE बाइट, और दूसरा है वर्ड और कोड, वर्ड और कोड, इनसे हम इसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे। The example of the represent in the 10 dimensions of value in the digital notifications of the decimal notations and the 26 letter of the English alphabet were required 36 different combination of 0 to 1, so is the 2 to the power 5 to 2 to the power 6 as a minimum of the 6 bits per bytes are required in order to mention all the missing characteristic in this case. A byte is sometimes referred to a characters in a group of the one or more character as a word. ठीक, इसके बाद हम लॉजिक गेट को रीड करेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।